2019 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. And it's not Dodge, guys. Ram, sorry. Ram 1500. It's got stock converters there and there. Has 13,000 miles. Then 3-inch pipe. We continued the 3-inch, did a muffler delete with a FLOWMASTer Super 10. And we still has the resonators there and there. And we put massive 5-inch tips right there and right there. It's the Big Horn edition. So you know it's gonna sound good. And now it looks good. I don't know why they don't do that from the factory. Let you guys hear it in a second. Oh, much better.